Hey guys, my name is Kamal Zabib. I am a professional performance artist and travel enthusiast. This channel is meant to take you closer to amazing experiences here in Miami and beyond. Now let's get into today's adventure. Hey guys, today I'm going to be taking you through Superblue, an immersive art experience here in the heart of Miami.
This place has 50,000 square feet of multi-sensory environments, but the art isn't complete without the participant. Each interaction, yours and those around you, makes for a unique experience every time. We begin the journey off at Team Lab, which is a collective of over 400 artists, robotic experts, and botanists based out of Asia.
Over here, you want to just touch the stems of the flowers. Once you touch it, it signals the flower to start withering away automatically. So in this one, we're kind of taking the life away, but the one on the left, you want to touch the wall and keep your hand there for about 15-20 seconds. When you leave your hand there, the flowers will just start to bloom.
Oh, what? He showed me some tricks.
That was a really cool experience I just had with this guide. He just basically told me that this isn't just a pretty thing to look at. Then he interacted with it, and he didn't even want to give me tips about it. He just wanted me to find out and see and explore for myself, which I think is really cool about this place. It's kind of meant for you to explore, play, and be a child.
Next up, we've got Rafael Lozano Hammer's Pulse Topology, a landscape of 3,000 light bulbs forming waves of peaks and valleys, each one flickering to the heartbeat of someone who came before you.
Yeah, so as you place your hand right under the sensor, the light bulbs above you match the same rhythm and pattern as your heartbeat.
And then it goes to the brightest light.
It's crazy, it's right in front of you, that's wild.
Oh, that's
perfect for the shot.
Oh my God, that's crazy.
Perfect for the shot, man.
Let's go. That's my heartbeat. It's awesome, man. It's such a weird feeling, but the pulse of a heartbeat is so relaxing, and we don't usually think about that, but this actually makes you think about it. It's like music.
The core concept of this installation is definitely this idea of slowing down time, slowing down matter, slowing down light.
This is Lightfall by Studio Le Mercier, a room where light and mist blend into a surreal landscape that literally changes with every step you take. The sound design by Markov was the icing on the cake for me. I had an out-of-body experience just listening to these sounds, losing all track of time and space.
So I just got in here. They gave me these two shoe covers to put on my shoes for, I don't know what reason, she wouldn't tell me.
Can I get some hints in the video?
Every time I reach a fork in the road, I choose both paths. And then choose both again at the next division. The more my paths divide and multiply, the more sides of myself I offer to the air. The more facets of us. Do you see it? Can you feel it? Do you breathe it? Can you find it? Go and find it.
Okay, wow.
This is Forest of Us by S. Devlin. a mirrored labyrinth that connects our own breath to the rhythm of the trees, reminding us of the deep symmetry between people and the planet.
I feel like I'm about to make some potion or something, or cook some meth, I don't know, whichever one.
Here we enter Team Lab's cloud room, a surreal environment filled with floating mist that forms actual clouds around you. I honestly just felt like a kid in this one.
That was really cool. The solution is kind of like if it gets in your eye, I'm sure it could be really irritating. It also got a little bit of my camera. Not ideal for filming, but you just have to be careful with it. Really cool experience.
This one is called Alone Together by Random International. It's an experience that uses algorithmically tracking spotlights to explore the tension between solitude and the collective experience.
Once you approach the center of the room, the spotlight will find you and follow you. Once you're done with that room, you enter temporary graffiti. It's influenced by the art that we see in Miami. In that room, you're going to be the ones doing the graffiti. You have spray cans. The spray cans contain UV light and not real paint.
Super dope. Alright guys, that was honestly one of the best museums I've ever been to. Not only were you awestruck by the things that were happening, multi-screen projections, lights, the mist, there were a lot of elements to play with, and it was just really cool to just be immersed in that. As well as, I don't think a lot of people talk about this, but the sound design was absolutely incredible. The whole thing, it was an experience. Definitely something that I would bring all of my friends to. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this adventure, and on to the next one.